This tutorial shows you how to unsubscribe from ChatGPT Plus and stop recurring payments. First, launch your web browser or Chrome app on your Android device. Next, navigate to chatgpt.com by typing it in the address bar. Following that, sign into your ChatGPT account if you're not already logged in. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines or your profile icon at the top left corner. Moving forward, select Settings from the menu options that appear. Afterwards, scroll down through the settings to find Manage My Subscription. In addition to that, tap on Manage My Subscription to access billing details. Once this page opens, you'll see your current subscription plan and payment information. Subsequently, look for the Cancel Plan or Manage Subscription button. Moreover, tap on Cancel Plan to begin the cancellation process. Afterwards, ChatGPT may show you benefits you'll lose by canceling. Then, scroll down and tap on Continue to Cancel or Proceed with Cancellation. Within this section, you may be asked to provide a reason for canceling. Alternatively, select your reason from the drop-down menu or type your feedback. Once you've provided feedback, tap on Continue or Next to proceed. Then you'll see a final confirmation screen asking you to confirm cancellation. Afterwards, tap on Cancel Subscription or Confirm to finalize the cancellation. Then you'll receive a confirmation message that your subscription has been canceled. Moreover, you'll still have access to ChatGPT Plus until the end of your current billing period. Afterwards, once the billing period ends, your account will revert to the free plan. Then you've successfully canceled your ChatGPT Plus paid subscription. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you cancel ChatGPT Plus paid subscription, give it a like, subscribe for more tech tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.